We adults love the idea of kids just working hard and keeping at it until they finally succeed. But if we think about it, trying hard is a leap of faith for kids because it means that they have to believe that the struggle and discomfort now is going to pay off later. The relationship between effort and success has to be learned. If a kid has never had the experience of it, you try hard and then later it pays off, they're not going to be able to make this leap of faith. So we need to be strategic in how we help kids to try. Instead of the sermons about you should have grit and you should try hard, we need to make the effort tolerable. Little bit of effort leading to a little bit of success and lots of experiences of that. And then eventually the kid will be brave enough to do a little bit more effort and get a little bit more success.